Let us try to summarize what we said in this presentation. It may be a little bit loaded with information today, but sorry for that. If you have difficulty, go back and watch the presentation videos once more, and we may discuss on forums or by email if you have some questions. So what we discussed today, we discussed the internal and external validity of a study. We should be able to differentiate these two. What was it? We refer to an external validity if the evidence fits to your own practice. The p-value as a threshold, at least after watching this presentation, you should be able to tell what is the p-threshold and how we interpret it, why it is 0.05 and not something else. Who decided that it should be 0.05? These are, of course, discussion points. Then, confidence interval. How we interpret confidence interval. In lay terms, I told you, confidence interval tells you if you calculated something, if you are giving me a mean value or a proportion like odds ratio, and then you claim that this is the result, this is the real value of the population, I have the right to ask you, okay, my dear, if I go and do the same experiment 100 times, what would be the limits? Can you give me a confidence? What would it be always the same measurement? No, of course not. It could be a little bit less or a little bit more. What would be the lower and upper limits of this measurement? And that's classically called the confidence interval. And effect sizes, different types of effect sizes. The famous effect sizes are calculations are given by Cohen, and we discussed confidence interval, relative risk, and as indices of effect sizes. And finally, in today's presentation, I explained to you what H index, I-10 index, and the journal impact factors mean. Okay, hope to see you in some other presentations or other occasions. Take care, bye-bye.